We need to make things happen. And the good news is, like Epictetus, many of us know Epictetus said, he said, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. A few of you who were there last year, by the way, just make a note that we do this first Saturday of every year. And these days it's only public event I have time to do. I'm extremely busy. But I think I'll probably formalize it a lot more, from next year and then make it bigger. We didn't even advertise it. It was just something I mentioned in Facebook and all that. So some of you who were here last year got your, remember that letter? Because you want to do a letter to yourself. And interestingly, in my own letter, I've actually done mine already. It's in my box. Interestingly, in my own letter, most of the things I wrote to myself happened. It's real powerful because you want to be deliberate about what results you want to accomplish. You don't just sit passively and wait for it to happen. And many of us have lived the first half of our lives just that way, waiting for things to passively happen, but they don't happen that way.